In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to log scale in Tradingview, a tool highly appreciated by traders around the world for its versatility and power. Understanding how to switch your chart scale to a logarithmic scale can greatly enhance your analysis, particularly if you're dealing with data that spans a wide range of values. It allows you to see percentage-based moves more clearly, rather than the absolute dollar moves. So, let's dive in and make sure you have this down. First, let's start by opening your Tradingview platform. Once you're there, make sure you have the chart loaded that you want to analyze. Having the right chart up is crucial, as it ensures that you're working with the data you need to make informed decisions. With the chart up on your screen, direct your attention to the right-hand side where you'll notice the price scale. This is typically located on the vertical axis, running alongside your chart. You'll find that there are 3 little dots visible here. Hover over this area, and you'll notice an icon that looks like a gear or cog. That icon represents your settings, and it's what you'll need to click on to proceed. Now, after clicking the settings icon, a menu will pop up prompting you to choose between 2 types of scales, arithmetic and logarithmic. Arithmetic is the default setting, and this might not always give you the best perspective if your chart spans a large price range, such as a dramatic market move or trends over a long period. Select the logarithmic option by simply clicking on it. This change might appear subtle at first, but don't underestimate its power. The log scale represents equal percentage moves with equal vertical distances, making it especially useful when you're analyzing data that extends drastically in price or over multiple cycles. Essentially, it allows for a more sustainable way to view growth and trends. You'll immediately notice that the chart updates as soon as you select this option, and the price differences should now appear proportional based on percentage change rather than fixed price change. If at any point you wish to switch back to the arithmetic scale for any reason, you can do so by simply repeating the process and selecting the arithmetic option. It's very straightforward and allows great flexibility as you toggle between visual perspectives to suit the kind of analysis you're doing. Remember, choosing the right chart type is all about improving your insight, so experiment with what works best for your needs and trading strategies. So, there you have it, a quick and easy way to switch your Tradingview chart to a logarithmic scale. This small change can make a big difference in how you interpret your data and ultimately help improve your trading decisions. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to try it out for yourself. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.